Good morning and welcome to this yoga practice, where our intention is to create energy, vitality, and clarity for today. Begin in a comfortable seat, close the eyes, and shift your attention to your breath. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder for a neck stretch. Extend the right arm. You can place the left hand on the head for a bit more. And continue to just watch your breath, focusing on the inhale and the exhale as we switch sides. Right ear to right shoulder, extended left arm. Release, and we'll move into some neck rolls here. So finding movement in a circular motion that feels really good for you. You don't have to do too much here. Starting to wake up the neck after a night of rest. Next, we'll bring the hands to the tops of the thighs as we move into some shoulder rolls here. Finding movement that feels really good and very nourishing to your body. Plant the hands on the mat as we move into all fours, continuing to find movement that feels good in the body. Maybe it feels really good to shift from side to side, or maybe a few rounds of cat-cow here feel good. You'll drop the belly low and lift the chin for cow. You'll bring the belly button to spine and curve your back for cat. Use your breath to move your body here. One movement for an inhale, one movement for an exhale. You're free to continue cat-cows or come into some intuitive movement. Start to wake up the spine in a way that feels really great for you. Close the eyes here and just connect with your body. What does it need this morning? Shift the hips to the heels, forehead to the mat, coming into child's pose. Maybe you'd like to tent the fingers here, or maybe you want to keep your palms flat on the mat. Connect with the breath. On an inhale, push up to all fours. Exhale, press back to downward facing dog. We'll bend the knees here and pedal the feet. In the morning, your hamstrings can be tight, so feel free to bend your knees as you need to. Look towards your hands. Walk your feet to meet your hands. Your feet are about hip width apart here. We'll grab for opposite elbows, ragdoll pose. Letting your head hang heavy, bending your knees as much as you need to. You'll bring the hands to the mat and inhale, arms rise to touch. Exhale, thumbs to heart center. Now we'll move into some sun salutations. Inhale, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten the spine. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to high plank. Shift the weight forward, knees to mat. Slowly lower down, squeezing elbows into your side. You'll slide the palms forward, coming into a mini back bend, Sphinx pose. Palms come back. You move through all fours. Exhale, downward facing dog. Reconnect with your breath here by focusing on your inhale, focusing on your exhale. Press the palms firmly into the mat. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Focus on getting your chest to meet the tops of your thighs. Now look towards your hands and walk your feet to meet the hands. Well, inhale, halfway lift, so hands can stay on the mat or palms can come to shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, Tadasana, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, bring the arms to sides. We'll go through this again a little bit different now. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flatten the back. Plant the palms, step back. Now you can bring the knees to the mat or lower down for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog or Sphinx pose like we just did. Exhale, pressing back to downward facing dog. With each round of sun salutations, feel free to take the modification that feels best for your body. No matter what you do, link movement with your breath. Inhale, look towards the hands. Exhale, you can walk or jump your feet to meet the hands. So halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms rise, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, arms come to sides. Inhale, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. Now step or jump back to lower down to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or sphinx. Exhale, downward facing dog. Close the eyes here and focus on inhaling and exhaling fully. Go within and connect with yourself. Connect with your breathing. Inhale, look towards the hands. Step, walk, or jump, feet to meet hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, arms rise, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward. This time you'll step back with the left leg. Inhale, coming up into crescent lunge. Option to keep the knee lifted or to bring the knee to the mat. We'll inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. As we wake up the spine here, I want you to focus on keeping your knee above your ankle, keeping your ribs over your hips. Bring your hands to heart center, thumbs to chest. We'll hook and twist over your right leg. Press into the hands and use that to open your shoulders. Gaze can be towards the ceiling or towards your mat. If you'd like a little bit more here, you can bring your left arm to the mat, right arm up to the ceiling. Gaze to the thumbs. Come back through prayer. Plant both hands on the outside of your foot and step back for downward facing dog. Pedal the feet here. Look towards the hands. Place the left foot in between both hands. Same thing, other side. Inhale up, crescent lunge. Option to keep the knee lifted or option to bring the knee to the mat. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Moving with your breath. Lift and twist. You'll bring the hands to heart center in a prayer. You'll hook your right elbow over your left knee. You can bring the knee to the mat at any time. Press into the palms. And again, if you'd like a little bit more, bring the right hand to the mat. Left arm reaches towards the sky. Gaze towards your thumbs. We'll release by coming through prayer. Hands to either side of the foot and press back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift to the toes. Exhale, knees to mat. We'll come into a seated position here. So you're going to bend your left knee, bringing the sole of your foot to the mat, and option to keep your right ankle behind your left or extend the right leg. Lift the arm and come into a twist here. You can cycle in and out, finding movement that feels really good. We're starting to break up the fascia, which is the connective tissue that holds our muscles and our bones and our body together. We'll stretch here, so come into fire log, left ankle on right knee, or you can stack the knees with the left knee being on top. Close the eyes and relax the shoulders. Take a few breaths here, focusing on that inhale and focusing on that exhale. And we'll switch. This time your right knee is going to be bent. Option to keep left ankle behind right ankle or straighten that leg. Inhale, raise the arm. Exhale, hook and twist. Again, cycling in and out, moving with your breath. On an inhale, lift the arm. Exhale, we'll release. Now again, right ankle can come to right knee, or you can stack the knees coming into cow face pose. Right knee as close as you can get it to on top of the left. Sit tall through the spine, lift the crown of your head towards the sky. Relax your shoulders. And just breathe. Be present with yourself. Be present with your breath. We'll slowly release here, coming into a comfortable seated position. Hands come to heart center. Take a moment here to think of something that you are immensely grateful for. As you focus on that feeling of gratefulness, let a soft smile float across your lips. While connected to this place of gratitude, I want you to set an intention for the day. How will your day go? How will you feel? How will you be today? What will you do today to get you closer to where you want to be or who you want to be in 1 week, 1 year, or even 10 years from now? You are capable, you are limitless, and this day is yours. Namaste.